Welcome to this installation video of the Olixar Front and Back Film Protector. Within this video, I'll be going through the steps on how to apply the Olixar Front and Back Film Screen Protector. I'll be showing you using the Z Fold 3, however, the same process applies across all devices. As you may be aware, film tends to be slightly trickier to apply in comparison to a glass screen protector. Though, the steps used to apply this film protector make doing so incredibly easy. What you're going to want to do first is ensure the screen is free from all dust and grease. To do this, take the wet wipe that has been provided and wipe the screen thoroughly. Next, remove any moisture left from the wet wipe using the microfiber cloth. Once the screen is clean and dry, dab the dust remover sticker across the area which you want to apply the film to. We can now apply the film protector. Some devices will receive a plastic attachment that you insert into the phone's charging port to help you align the screen protector, as seen here. However, if like this one for the Z Fold 3, you'll need to carefully align the protector to the area of the handset. Next, match the application card to the dotted line at the center of the protector and pull back the tab that is labeled 1. When doing so, push the application card to fit the exposed film to the device. Follow the same steps for the opposite of the protector. Run the application card along the film to secure its fit. Now complete the same steps to either the front or back of your handset to ensure that it receives 360-degree paper-thin protection from scuffs and scrapes.